Oh, hey guys, and welcome to Brave Night. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own oven or cooker lighter without paying anything. So from today, you don't have to use this stuff anymore. I know you can get your own electric lighter from any shop, but we don't buy stuff, we craft it. So yeah, let's do it. All we're gonna need is a lighter, thick wire, small piece of wood, one of these, and a wood stick. And that's it. So yeah, let's do it. First, you have to open the lighter, just like that. Pull it and now it's opened. Here we have some other stuff. First, we have this part. If you click it, it will just gonna open the tank. Just like that. And of course we don't want that, so we're gonna remove them. Before doing anything, just get rid of this one. And now we have the clicker. I called it the clicker. And here all what we're gonna need. Now I'm gonna try this one on my hand, see if it will gonna work or not. I feel it. Once you have this piece, now it's time to get one of these and remove the upper part, just like that. Now it is time to craft the piece of wood and make it like that. After we do this, now it is time to try it. Here's our tool. We're gonna put just right here. And we're gonna put this one right here, just like that. And finally, we need a rubber. They will put it just like that. And now, the trigger system is ready to use. Ooh. Let's try this one first. Ooh. Ooh. And finally, it is done. The Brave Knight electric shotgun. At least it look a little bit good. It's not look bad, I guess. Yeah, it's look. I know it's look ugly. I know. But who care? Yeah, let's try it. مصلش حاجة. كهربتني أنا. اشتغلت. I did it. It's working. Woo! 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 I did it. Yeah. Let's try this one. Yeah, I know it's look ugly, but I will try it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Ooh! One click. Woo! Let's try it again. And that's it guys for today. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.